So now we take the entire package and we pour it in. And then we add water just high enough to cover the rocks. First we put in this lid and put it in place. And you have to put on the stainless steel cover on top of the inner lid. Okay. And then make sure to tighten as best you can to ensure that the barrel doesn't leak any water. You're gonna go turn this puppy on, pause it, okay, because it just goes right to go. You're gonna do the maximum because we have patience. That's what we do on high speed for 6 days. That's right, my friends. We're rock tumbling. We're ready. See you in 6 days. We're 6 days out. We have finished our first round of tumbling. So we're going to take this and we're going to open it and see what is inside because I have no idea. Does grit foam? I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Outside lid is off. Ooh. Sizzling. Well, not sizzling, but you can hear the air escaping. All right, there's nothing hot in here. It's not volcanic. Ooh, it's dirty. See? So, as you take the strainer, we're going to put it there, and we're going to pour all the dirty, gloppy water through and get out our rocks. Oh, isn't this neat? Ooh, quite gloppy. Ooh. Well, I guess it's like sand, right? This is what we're looking at. Oh, they're so much softer. They were not jagged, but quite rough. Oh, look at the colors. Oh, how interesting. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, look at that. Look at these colors. Looks like a sea foam. Oh, I love brown. Oh, look at that with the orange. And that's like the sea foam. And that's, oh, I have no idea what that is. I have no idea what any of it is, but looks like it could be a game piece. Ooh, or a poop emoji. There we go. Oh, black. Oh, they weren't this cool looking when I put them in, that's for sure. Didn't see this kind of color or anything. Oh, cool. I'm very excited for step 2. Yeah, I'll just do that. Put that on there. Try and clean this out. I'll get some paper towels. Oh, there's still some more rocks in here. Huh. Look at that. There's still more grit in and around the corners. There's just little pieces of rock still in there. Okay. Wow, that water is pretty dirty. So I'm gonna go wash this in the sink and then we'll load it up for step 2. So we've got our rock tumbler clean. Okay, so we got the first set of grit out. So now for the fun part, just cycle 2, because I don't even recognize any of the stones that went in there. So that's really wild. So this is just as fun as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, just not realizing quite as long as it was gonna take. So then we're gonna put in grit number 2. And when we do this, this one is even longer. This one goes for 6 to 8 days. So because we're trying it all and it says patience is what is going to make us beautiful stones, we're going to go with the full 8 days. Okay, so there you can see we've got our second grit put in. Okay, first things first, we got to put some water and we'll just cover the rocks Okay. We're going to seal her up. Put our lid back in. I guess I'm becoming a natural. Good for me. That was pretty easy. I'm glad. And put this on. And then we're going to put this nice and tight. Because let's face it, this thing's going to be spinning for 8 days. I do not want to come home and find that it's spewing water and grit all over the place. Okay, so in place, we're going to engage. So we're going to set the days. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days at stage 2. Oh, my friends, are you ready? We have begun cycle 2. See you in 8 days. Okay, surprisingly, 8 days has passed and we are ready to open up the second coarse stone that we put in here. I'm going to take off this lid, unscrew it. Get this ready in the bowl. Okay, that comes off. Oh, I think I'm going to need that knife again. Very tight, which is good. There we go. Don't want to have anything spilling out, so tight is definitely the look we're going for here. Okay. It's all, ooh, gunky. And, ooh, look what we got. Okay. So, we're going to pour out the stuff. And get our stones in here. Ooh. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, get out the last of the stones here because we're going to have to clean this all out again. And we'll rinse them off. Oh, they look so smooth and flat. Oh, and colorful. Oh, neat. Okay. Oh, is that ever sharp? Look at the difference in the contrast. I got it's probably a quartz, right? Oh, it's like a seafoam color. We've got some neat orange flat thing. We'll have to, I do have a rock and mineral book. So I'll have to see what, ooh, neat becomes of that. What a difference. Isn't that sharp? Well, that'd probably make a neat looking necklace or something. That's a sharp kind of shape. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this. And what we're going to do next is a pre-polish. We'll put our rocks back in. And what we're going to do is add grit number 3, which is the pre-polish. So, wet hands do not help when you're opening a plastic package. Oh, and it's dusty. It's good. Okay. Oh, it's like a fine powder. That's neat. Oh, it's the pre-polished. Good things come to those who wait, right? That's the saying. So we've got number 3 in there and our rocks. We're going to cover it with water. Oh, yeah, it's a different color, right? It's gray instead of brown. Okay, just put in enough. We're going to put our lid back on. There we go. Take that off. Put the cap back on. And then we're going to as tight as we can make it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so step 3, pre-polish. We're going to put back on the machine. It's going to go up to, yet again, We're going for the long haul, 8 days, because patience is rewarded. Step 1. And we're off to the races. Let's see what happens with the pre-polish. Okay, so here we are at the end of stage 3. It's a very exciting time here. And so what we're going to do is open up our tumbler, because what we've finished now is the pre-polish. So we're gonna see what, okay, need the knife. Getting better at this, people. The knife this time was already on the table. Okay. And I'll put this on because it is easier to remove. Ooh, and look at all that sediment and stuff. It's not as thick as the other ones were. Okay. And so, oh yeah, this is a lot. Oh, look at that. Look at how little some of them are. Oh, they're so smooth. And this is the pre-polish. Oh, how exciting. Oh, is that one like a... Oh, it is. It's that seafoam color. How sharp. Oh, this is so exciting. They're so soft. They're so, well, not soft, obviously, but smooth. My goodness. What a difference. Oh, look at how little these are. I mean, I probably shouldn't be excited about it, but oh, they're just so sharp and so round. I guess sharp isn't the right word, but oh, look at the color. I love brown. Look at that change just with the lighter, just on the edges of that stone. I hope it's not me just seeing this, and you can as well. But I'm pretty excited. So we're going to move on to stage 4, which is the polish. This is actually our longest one, which will be 9 days. And then we're going to be finished. I'm really going to be interested to see, like at the end of this with the polish, are these just going to be like bright and glossy, you know, like how they look wet? That's what I'm curious if that's what the polish is going to bring, because they're beautiful, don't get me wrong, but they are kind of flat, you know, with the color, because this is spectacular. But if it always looks shiny, ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so we're going to put our rocks back in. We're going to do our stage 4 grit. See what this bad boy looks like. And it looks like the grit is, oh, it's got a bit of a hole in it. Now what can you do? Okay, so here's the polish. Oh, and it's white this time. It's very, very powdery. Right, so we're putting our powder on, right? This is our last aggregate. This is the polish stage. We're gonna put water over it, just enough to cover the rocks. Maybe a little touch more. Okay, so now we're gonna put our lids back on. So we've got our first lid, which is very, very snugly put in there. I'm gonna put our cap over top. Now we're gonna seal it nice and tight so this doesn't go anywhere. All right, we're looking good. So as I said, this is stage 4. This will be our last polishing, or this is the polish stage. So what we're doing is going for a full 9 days at stage 1 for our final product. Are you ready? I know I am. This is so cool. All right, 9 days, people, and we'll have a finished product, and we should be able to show you the before and the after. Woo! I'm very excited. Thank you. Stage 4 is now complete. We are going to open our rocks and see what they look like polished. So this was 9 days on the go. And this time it didn't so much sound like a broken water pipe, which stage 3 sounded like to me. Oh, I really tightened that well. Oh, there we go. I can't beat myself. I'm good. Whoop. Okay. Knife at the ready. See? Ooh. That's why it's a butter knife. Nobody gets hurt. Oh, I'm not having an easy time. There we go. Helps to put that handle on. Give a bit of leverage. Okay, well, the color's not too bad. It's kind of like, oh, they look shiny. So you got like some brown murky water here. We're just gonna pour it out and get our rocks. We'll see the final results and we'll wash it all up, clean it all up, and we can show you how they started. Oh, and how they ended up. I guess I'll be fishing for one more tiny rock and a little bit of water. Ooh. Surprisingly easy. Okay, let's clean them off and give you an idea of that shine. Ooh. Yeah, my hands need it too. Look at that, it's almost clear. Ooh. Oh, that is gorgeous. These have gotten very small compared to when they started. I mean, these fit into both hands, which was a pound of rocks. And now, my goodness, look at how many tiny little bits we got in here. Anyways, so for the final video, I'll show you where we started and how we ended. Thanks for coming by.